Okay, my friend, welcome back to my new video, how to promote your Clickbank affiliate link. With this video, guys, I want to show you top solo ads to promote your Clickbank affiliate link, to promote your product. You can use this traffic to promote your CPA offers, and you can promote anything. Okay, you can promote your landing page, your blog, and your websites, and of course you can use this fantastic traffic and very target and cheap traffic to promote your affiliate link, and of course you can promote your Clickbank affiliate link. Okay, so let's start. I want to show you three of top solo ads that you can use it right now and get real traffic, very target traffic. Like if you don't know how to get traffic to your affiliate link, this is a problem, my friend. Okay, if you want to promote something, you should know how to get real traffic, and very important to get real human traffic. Okay, this is very important. So let's start. Website number one is visitors. Like you see this website, this is one of the top solo ads that you can get to your affiliate link. You can see here solo ads. Okay, so let's go to solo ads, and you can see here different packages that you can use to promote your affiliate link. Let's go one of these packages. Okay, so you can see here a ad title. Okay, this is very important, guys. You have to put here something very catchy, some very catchy title, so people will love it and click your title. And don't forget, this is very important, to put your link here. Okay, your affiliate link in this page. Of course you can promote everything. Okay, you don't have to short your link, you don't have to buy a domain to use this service, and you don't need a website. Okay, all you need is put your title here and your link and some text. Okay, some catchy text, so people will visit your link. Okay, so remember, this is very important. Some text, not a long text. Okay, not a long text. Some words, some text, and a very catchy text. Okay, this is one of my top solo ads. Traffic number two is surfer.hits, this website, and you can see here in the top solo ads. Let's go to solo ads, and you will get this page. This is very cheap solo ads, like you see. Of course, like add the title, very catchy title, and your link, your affiliate link, and some text. Okay, this is a very important solo ads. It's the best traffic that you can get to any affiliate link, and this is very target. Okay, this is very target and very cheap. Okay, traffic source solo ad number 3 is traffic cache list. You will found this website. Don't worry, I will put all the links below this video, so you will find it. Like you see, this is a very professional website, and you can get real human traffic. You can see here in the top solo ads. So let's go to solo ads, and you will find some packages here. Look at this solo ad to 1 million target list, 10,000 guaranteed clicks. So all you have to do is, like add title, okay, your title and your website link, your affiliate link, and some text. Okay, solo ads is the best traffic that you can use to promote anything, to promote your affiliate link. Solo ads usually is not cheap. Okay, you can go to Google and type solo ads. You will find different solo ads right there. Not all of them is good traffic, okay? Not all of them is a good traffic, and it's not a cheap traffic. Okay, let's type top solo ads. You will find different services here. Okay, there is unlimited solo ads online that you can use. I am not recommend to use all of these solo ads. Okay, there's some solo ads that's not convert. Okay, so like I said, the best solo ads is you can find below this video. Like I said, this is the best solo ad. This is guaranteed clicks and the visitors to your affiliate link. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Please let me know what you think, and comment your comment or a question below this video. Thank you again. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Thank you very much.